So wow. 200 pounds in 9 months, 35 pounds of, I would say about 25 pounds of muscle, maybe 10 pounds of fat, maybe, who knows? But wow, 200 pounds, the heaviest I've ever been in my life. And I still feel like, I feel slower a little bit, but not so much so that I can't put on more weight. I still feel like I can be a little bit heavier, maybe in the future. But I was about 165 pounds, and I decided to put on a ton of weight. So it helped me in a lot of aspects in terms of strength, most definitely strength gains. I feel fuller, I do, but I still feel tiny. I don't know how I feel small still. I could have done this faster. I could have done it in probably 7 months, maybe 6 months, if I was really dialed in. I wasn't really dialed in. This is just, it's part of the process. I spent on the protein powder that I currently use. I spent about $600 for protein, bro. 600 something in the 9 to 10 months I've been doing this. So it's crazy. I wouldn't consider this a dirty bulk. I would consider it a sped up lean bulk, because I wasn't just eating everything. I was still following the 80 or the 70 to like 30%, 70% clean, 30% dirty. I eat relatively clean, but food, the amount of food I was eating, man, is crazy. I was eating a ton of food, and really, yeah, a ton of food, tons of food. Yeah, a lot of food. If I can give you tips, stay consistent as usual. The gym is all about consistency for results. Tone down your workouts. So for me, I dropped a set. Basically, I would, instead of doing 4 sets, I would do 3 for the most part. Some days I would even do 2 sets. Keep your intensity going. Meaning, keep the intensity is so if you're doing 3 sets, still do as hard as you can. Just do your 10 to 15 reps, but do them with intensity, basically. So don't lack. So if you're dropping a set, don't be lazy, basically. Keep training. Like I was able to still keep a ton of my muscle, even dropping 1 set, and I still have my abs. So that was one of my goals, to keep my abs and not get too flabbery or too fat, or just not to get fat. So that was one of my goals that I got. And bro, consistency, keep your intensity but do less, basically. Recovery is very important, bro. Food, eat clean, eat your food, bro. Eat clean, eat your food. Sleep is super important. Even though at 200 pounds, I was still able to keep a decent amount of my calisthenics skills. I'm working on the handstand currently, and it's still a little rough, but I've came a long way. When I was bulking, I was maintaining my front lever and my muscle ups. I can do way less muscle ups now, but I can still do them. And my front lever has taken a beating, but I can still do that as well. I'm also working on, you can see this exercise here, this front lever. Basically, it's a front lever pull up, but my knees are tucked in. So that's what I'm planning on doing in the future, the front lever pull up, and that's gonna be really insane. I can also still do the dragonflies, which is still pretty cool. But yeah, overall, my calisthenics has stuck around, and I'm glad for that, honestly. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you subbing to the channel. This is the most randomest channel ever, but thanks for watching. I will catch you guys later. If you guys want the protein that I use, or the bulking gainer, basically, I'll put that down below. It's kind of expensive, but if you want those gains, thanks for watching. Peace out. Have a great rest of your day. God bless.
and subscribe. Like 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 and subscribe.
But man, that was definitely a fun journey.